Now, who remembers Heisenberg's uncertainty principle? Getting a little more technical now. So this says that it's impossible, by definition, to measure exactly the state, i.e. the position and the momentum of a particle, because the act of measuring it, by definition, changes it. So to explain that, if you've got an elementary particle and you shine a light on it, then the photon of light has momentum, which knocks the particle, so you don't know where it was before you looked at it. By measuring it, the act of measurement changes it. The act of observation changes it. It's the same in marketing. So the act of observing consumers changes their behavior. Think about the group of mums who are talking about their wonderful children in a focus group, and almost none of them buy lots of junk food. And yet McDonald's sells hundreds of millions of burgers every year. Think about the people who are on accompanied shops in supermarkets who stuff their trolleys full of fresh fruit, green vegetables and fruit, but don't shop like that any other day. And if you think about the number of people who claim in surveys to regularly look for porn on the web, it's very few. Yet at Google, we know it's the #1 search for category. So luckily, the marketing is getting easier. Luckily, with now better point-of-sale tracking, more digital media consumption, you can measure more what consumers actually do rather than what they say they do. So the physics is you can never accurately and exactly measure a particle because the observation changes it. The message for marketing is that try to measure what consumers actually do rather than what they say they'll do or anticipate they'll do.